咁樣佢呢條筋咧，呢個咧少海咧就係主管佢個臂狀神經同埋佢後面呢個肩胛骨同埋頸嘅。OK，so 啊，一般咧我哋一立呢隻手咧，拖轉呢隻手好似手揮琵琶咁樣撳。Okay, finish. Thank you. How do you feel now, my friend?
I feel
Thank you.
better than before.
How much better? How much better the
Yeah, I
now?
think 95%.
95%. Where is the 5%?
5%
Okay,
maybe.
no, I need to finish the 5%. No,
Thank you.
no. 佢就95咋，我要100啊。我 cover your back 條啦。Okay, I fix for you. Your back still painful?
Just little here.
呢個都係爭啲先生。好。我嘅要求咧係99.5%。咁所以咧，如果啲客人咧，其實仲有啲位仲爭少少咧，一般咧我都唔會放過。嗱，我哋咧個口訣咧就係有殺錯冇放過。好，兩個一齊上。好，一般嚟講咧100%咧都未夠，我係20%嘅120。咁所以咧佢係應該係頂唔順嘅。但係咧喺今日呢個情況咧，因為佢咧可能未認識我哋嘅中醫嘅精髓，咁而家咧就大家好望一望呢邊，係啦，好。先重手啲呢個位，冇錯啦。
我哋中醫嘅精華咧，
冇錯就係咁樣啦，係啦，
冇錯。
第一啦，
冇心，一定要全部佢等佢完全康復搞掂晒。
冇錯。第二咧就係人海戰術，
冇錯。
我呢度咧人海戰術係非常之重要嘅。
冇錯。
第三咧就要加埋我嘅特技，係啦，最高境界。OK， 好。OK， relax yourself，OK。先我嚟啦，呢度呢啲嚟嘅。OK。好，你兩個開嚟，唔該啊，開，係啦，冇錯，係啦，好似 feel baby，呢邊啊，OK， relax yourself，OK， 好啦，由低炒上嚟，冇錯 ，OK， here 呢邊啊 ，OK， 係啦，你兩個唔該掹隻手，3、2、1，開，掹住，有持久性用嘅，兩個持久性開，係啦，開，掹住 ，OK，relax 啊 ，1、2、3，OK， good，very good，OK，yeah，OK，next。How do you feel now, baby?
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Everybody
yeah.
need to come here. If anybody have issue, any kind of bone problem, they come. They will better help to you.
We
Okay,
must.
thank you so much.
Okay, yeah, 掌聲。